Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video we are going to do a little entryway glow up. So we just recently moved into our house and our entryway, it's pretty but it's super plain. So in this video I am gonna do a little makeover. I went to IKEA and bought some cute stuff, and so we're just gonna make this place look a little more homey, more cozy, and I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got, and we are gonna make this space look cute. So as you can see, our entryway is super plain. It's pretty small as well. We have 2 windows. So there's not a lot of room to put a table in here or anything, but we're gonna do some rugs, a bench, and some wall hangings, and hopefully it'll be cute. All right, so let's start building the bench because that's the most important part of this. So from here on out, you guys are gonna see me put together the bench and then bring in the decoration pieces, and I'm gonna fast forward through this process because it's not the best part and I just want you guys to see the reveal. So we actually ended up getting these 2 area rugs at a store called At Home because we couldn't find any runners that we really loved, and also they were more on the expensive side. So we decided to get 2 area rugs and combine them to make it look like a runner, and we love the pattern on this one. With the pillows, I really wanted to keep the neutral colors, but I also realized that our house is all white, so we needed some pop of color. That's why I decided on this mustard pillowcase, and I think it actually brought in some warmth that we were needing in our entryway. And to bring in another element of warmth, I saw this cute gold framed mirror, and I thought it would just tie in perfectly with our pillows. Dum-ba-da-dum! Here is the reveal. I love the way it turned out. This is a really small space, so there wasn't much we could do, but I still think it's Pinterest worthy. So that was my entryway makeover. I really loved the outcome of it. I think it looks super cute, and like my husband said last night, it looks like Pinterest, so that's a win for me. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me as well so I can continue to make fun content like this. And I mean, we have a whole house to decorate, so if you'd like to come along on our journey to make this house a home, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I did it! Whee! Like, got plant, it's so cute. Butterflies,